Most people don't stay poor because they're lazy. They stay poor because of hidden traps. Traps built into the system, into habits, and into mindsets. Let's uncover them, and more importantly, how to escape. Trap number 1. Living only for today. Most people earn and spend. Every paycheck vanishes on rent, food, bills, lifestyle upgrades. No savings, no investments, no cushion. Why? Because immediate comfort feels better than long-term security. But without savings, every emergency drags you deeper into poverty. Escape? Learn to pay yourself first. Even 10% of income saved before spending makes a huge difference over years. Trap number 2. Debt slavery. Credit cards, payday loans, easy installments. They promise freedom, but they lock you into endless payments. Interest quietly eats your future. You're working not for yourself, but for the bank. Escape? Kill debt as fast as possible. Stop borrowing for wants. Borrow only for assets that grow. Trap number 3. The wage mindset. Most people trade time for money. One job, one paycheck, one boss. But time is limited, so income stays limited. And when the job ends, the money stops. Escape? Build multiple streams of income. Invest, start side hustles, acquire skills that scale. Money should work for you even while you sleep. Trap number 4. Lack of financial literacy. Schools don't teach money. Families often don't either. So people fall for scams, buy liabilities instead of assets, confuse income with wealth, and keep repeating the cycle. Escape? Study money like your life depends on it. Books, podcasts, mentors. Learn about assets, compounding, cash flow. Knowledge compounds faster than money. Trap number 5. Comfort zone thinking. Many settle for enough to survive. They fear risk, so they avoid opportunities. They cling to the known even when it keeps them broke. Escape? Shift from fear to growth. Take calculated risks. Try, fail, learn, repeat. Wealth comes from stretching beyond safety. Trap number 6. Wrong environment. If everyone around you spends recklessly, complains about money, and discourages ambition, you'll do the same. Your circle defines your ceiling. Escape? Change your environment. Find people who save, invest, build. Your habits will rise to match theirs. Trap number 7. No long-term vision. The poor think in days. The middle class thinks in months. The wealthy think in decades. Without a vision, life becomes paycheck-to-paycheck survival. Escape? Write down a clear financial vision. Set 5-year, 10-year goals. Reverse engineer them. Every small step compounds into big results. Final truth. Most people stay poor not because they have to, but because they never question the system, their habits, or their circle. You can escape by saving before spending, by killing debt, by building assets, by learning money, by choosing growth over comfort, and by surrounding yourself with the right people. Wealth is not instant. It's built slowly, brick by brick, choice by choice. So the question is, will you keep playing the game designed to keep you poor, or will you finally learn the rules and escape?